Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. Today I have made this simple video just to share questions of write from dictation and how to do them in the most efficient way so that you can get a perfect score for your write from dictation, because you all know that write from dictation contributes massively not only to your listening section but to your writing section as well, which is 30 to 40 marks each listening and 30 to 40 marks obviously in writing as well. So let us see how do we do write from dictation. If you want to watch the entire detailed video of write from dictation where we have explained everything like note taking strategies, weightage and everything, you can find the link of that video in the description below. But let us now straight away do 3 questions and see what needs to be done. So I'll play the first video. So first I'll take notes using initials or maybe abbreviations sometimes, and then I'll write down the complete answer in my notes and then I'll type the answer. So this is a 3-step process that you should follow for your write from dictation. The first one.
If you need any assistance, please get help from the general office.
Immediately writing the answer. So I've written my answer. This was step 2. A lot of students might put comma after assistance because grammatically it makes sense. But here we do not follow the grammar. What you have to follow is, did you feel the pause in the sentence? In this case, I did not feel any pause in the sentence. Hence, I did not put comma in my notes. If I would have felt that pause, I would have put the comma. So don't go by grammar here. Go by what's given in the audio. So let's write down the answer. So the answer is, if you need assistance, if you need any assistance, I missed the word any. If you need any assistance, please get help from the general office, and obviously the full stop, even if it's not given. Now don't go by this underline, it's because it's grammatically wrong. Ignore it. Whatever was there in the audio, I have written it, so all good. This is how you should approach a write from dictation. Step 1, take initials or take abbreviations or go for combination. Here I have gone for the combination. Step 2, write down the complete answer in the notes first. Step 3 is type. If you practice using these 3 steps, that's when you will master write from dictation. If you ignore one of those steps, especially step 2, thinking no, it's not important, then in exam you might face trouble. Let's do the next one.
All students and staff have the access to printers and scanners.
Let's write down the answer. All students and staff have the access to printers and scanners. Now you must be thinking, do I really have this time in exam to write down the complete answer in the notes first and then type it? Yes, you absolutely have that time. You can dedicate 2 to 2.5 minutes per question to write from dictation in your listening section, because obviously out of 8 topics, 4 of them are not at all important. If you have watched all our videos on PT, you know what those topics are, both your MCQs, your highlight correct summary and your select missing word. So you will not waste a single second in those topics. Once the audio is completed, you will move on to the next question. That's how you save time for write from dictation in your listening section, right? So let's quickly type this down. Now over here, if you see a lot of plural words, so I will always put a small s, because that that indicates to me that that is a plural word, and I will never miss singular plural, or I will never mess with singular and plural. Let's type this answer. All students and staff have the access to printers and scanners. So that's done. All right. So please follow this 3-step strategy for your write from dictation, and I'm pretty sure that you'll nail your write from dictation and give it a lot of importance because it's a very, very important question. You'll easily get your marks if you practice using this method. Practice at least 25 questions per day and you'll be fine. With that, I'll take your leave and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.